Hey, it's Kate. I hope you're having a great day. We are now on to raspberries, part 2, the upgrade. I just finished fixing a handful of problems I've been having with my raspberries. And now I'm finally going to make an upgrade to this raspberry bed that I keep putting off, which will be a trellis. Why don't you fix the side of the bed? Well, it's not in the way. It doesn't really bother me. But wouldn't it look better though? I mean, I guess, but it's all the way at the back. By the time the garden grows, you won't even see it. Look, it's not going anywhere. I'm gonna fix it eventually. It's a problem for future me. All right. Hey, so are you sure you want to make a trellis? Yep. Well, how's that even gonna work? Do you have something in mind? Well, my first consideration is there's not a lot of space back here, so it can't be just any old trellis. It's going to start with posts, and I've been thinking this through. 4x4 posts would be sturdy and last a long time, but they would be really big in this space. 2x2s would be a better scale, but they would rot really quickly if I put them in the ground as posts. So I settled on metal posts. A bit lightweight, it might kink and bend at some point. That is a possibility, but they'll be in a low traffic area, so hopefully they'll still last fairly well. And I've got 3, so do you want to give me a hand? Well, I still think you should fix the bed, but sure, I'll help. All right. Thanks. The next part is adding that wire. This wire? But it looks like clothesline wire. Yeah, kind of. It is a plastic coated wire, so it should be nice and smooth on the canes, so when they lean on it, they don't get damaged. Oh. Sorry, that bed is really distracting me. Are you gonna fix it? Let's just finish the trellis. So, not fixing the bed? I'll do it. I think this is great. And because the posts are set in from the edge, closer to the plants, it's gonna help keep the canes more upright so they're out of the way and there's more room for the walkway. Oh, yep. And you remember last summer, the canes were just as tall as us. When they started leaning over, they really got in the way. Doesn't look like that this year. So this will definitely work, but did you build a trellis? Yeah. Or is it a fence? No. Yeah, you built a fence. What? Oh. So with this final upgrade, the raspberries are now all set up for a successful year of growing. But future you's still gonna fix that bed, right? Yes. But if you've missed it, you can watch how I fixed all my raspberries problems. You mean why they look so bad You can watch how I fixed that here. Hey, don't cover me with that for now, box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And when is future you getting here to fix that bed?